ChatGPT's new code interpreter now makes us even more superhuman. Like, for example, you get a math problem, take a photo of it, and let's just upload it directly to ChatGPT and click on solve, and it just gives you the solution. That was only the first out of all the ones I'm gonna show you. Let me show you the second one, analyze data. So here I am on my YouTube channel, and if I just click on download a CSV file, I can now drag this data into ChatGPT. I'll prompt it, see any trends in this data. It'll start working. You can see content, video title, views, watch time, subscribers. It started plotting some crazy graphs. Here you can see views versus estimated revenue, subscribers versus revenue, impressions versus views. Here you can see views versus revenue, watch time versus revenue, impressions versus views. And it basically said you get more money if you get more views. Thanks, Code Interpreter. Prompt number 3 is to recommend future actions. Based on this data, can you recommend any future actions I can take to reach my goal of 1 million subscribers? This allows you to use data you have in your database to make better decisions for the future.